sip way too much drink. I don't think I can think. I won't tell you no lies.
Hey YouTube, it's TT Logan and I'm back today with another video. Today I'm gonna be filming a burgundy smoky eye. It's one of my go-to looks and I love it. I'm gonna take this right into Chickadee from Makeup Geek, which is that yellow shade, and I'm gonna use that for my transition today. Shade, I'm gonna go into Zobo from the Juvias Place palette, the Masquerade, and bringing that slightly lower than the yellow shade. I'm just gonna lay that pink right there. Okay, so right now what I'm using is Bitten and Cherry Cola, and I'm mixing those two together, and I'm putting those right in the crease. And the brush that I'm using right now is the Morphe M412. So it's more of a tapered blending brush. So right here I'm taking a Morphe M506 and I'm tapping into Love Letter, and I'm gonna mix that with Bitten from Makeup Geek. Love Letter is from Anastasia, and then Bitten is Makeup Geek. So I'm going into my crease with this precise blender, and I'm just gonna get right up in there. So now I'm gonna take my Morphe M408. So I'm taking those same two shades, Love Letter and Bitten, mixing those together on the brush, and I'm just gonna pack that all over my lid. So for my inner corner highlight today, I'm gonna use Pink Champagne from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so I'm gonna lay that down first. So right on top of that shade, I'm gonna be using Rose Pigment from MAC, and I just have the travel size. And consent, and I have my lashes on. We're gonna get straight into foundation, and I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder Double Wear, and the shade I'm in is 5 into Amber Honey. So that's what it looks like. But this is like one of my die-hard foundations. So for concealer today, I'm going to be using a mixture of MAC Select Cover Up in NC45 and MAC Pro LongWear Concealer in NC42. That is really, really bright. That's way too bright. So I'm going to have to go in with my J-Oglesby concealer and tone that right back down. So I'm going to move on and set that with some AirSpun loose setting powder. Tap off some of the excess on the back of my hand. Let's press it in. Now, don't worry about this looking extra white casty, because I'm going to tone that down with some Nye Bananna Powder. And I'm going to bake a little bit under my eyes and then in my T-zone. Today I'm going to set the remaining outer portion of my face with the Mercier translucent medium deep setting powder, and see how I like that. So I'm going to tap off a lot of the excess. Okay, and just press that in. And then I'll go back and buff it. Our palette, this shade over here in the bottom left corner, that's what I like to contour my face with. It's just a perfect shade. For the star of the show, today is going to be from none other than the crayon case, straight out of New Orleans. Super Scent, hands down. I just congratulate you so much. I congratulate everything that you've accomplished. So I ordered from the crayon case and my order came today. Unfortunately, a lot of things were sold out when I went to make a purchase, but nonetheless, honey, I did manage to get my hands on Anglowla, and it came with this card here. Okay, there's Super Scent. Oh, right here. And it says, thank you. Subscribe to our site. Keep up with the latest crayon case deals. www.thecrayoncase.com. That's www.thecrayoncase.com. And I'm not sure if it makes a difference, but they're all in capital letters. And she just has some wonderful stuff. All her social media is at the crayon case. Same spelling, and it's all. And here is Anglowla, and I did take the liberty to go ahead and take the piece of tape off of this, but I have not tried it out yet. So I'm just gonna use what's in the lid, and I'm gonna try to use a light hand with this because I don't want too much highlight. But y'all, oh my gosh. Oh yes ma'am. So it's very glittery, but this is so, oh my goodness. And I already know I'm late, y'all. I already know, but honey, better late than never. Matter of fact, honey, let me let y'all know something, okay? A queen is never late, okay? Everybody else is just simply early. Name what movie that came from. And I'm going to use the blush palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. So the top left shade. And I'm just going to stamp that on. Yeah, these blushes are so pigmented. You don't need much at all. Like, you really need to use a light hand when it comes to these brushes. Blushes. Dang, I keep getting my tongue tied up today. Okay. Going into my Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the color Bossy. And then I'm going to use this Glaze Super Intense Color Extra Glossy Finish by LA Girl. I cannot stand this smell. Y'all, this gloss is so stank, like, not even playing. It smells disgusting. I'm probably gonna end up throwing that in the garbage. And the bad thing about it is it's new. And let me tell y'all something. What I cannot stand, when you go to buy these glosses, why are some of them always smushed down like this? Like, this is brand new. I don't like the fact that this is smushed down. That make me feel like people done used it, or, you know, it's just, I can't stand that. So I have to redo my lips, y'all. I'm sorry, I can't wear this. So I'm gonna use Coffee from Nika K. This new lipstick is new to me. It's called Blushing Beige 915, and this one is by Color Sensational. This is what it looks like. This reminds me of Myth from MAC, which was like hands down my favorite lipstick. Oh my god, y'all, it looked just like Myth. Dupe alert. And I got this from Walmart. It actually looks like the new formula of Myth because it's more peachy. That is so pretty. But I'm gonna add some gloss. So I think I'm gonna use Maui from Jouer, which is a high pigment pearl gloss. Y'all, every time I put this to my lip, y'all, I just fall in love. It smells so good, like some type of sweet candy. And I'm gonna be very excessive because I'm gonna layer Nymphette from MAC on top of that. And that's like similar in color, but this one is more of a wet look. So that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to like, share, and comment. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also hit your notification bell so that you don't miss any uploads from me. My channel is new. It is growing. I appreciate all of y'all for keep returning. And for everybody that just stops and watches my videos, even if you don't subscribe, I still appreciate you watching my videos. And invite your friends to become my friends, and then we can all be friends. That's my motto.
Who you think you're talking to?